We're flipping in it. Best day ever. I want to see this thing cross.
Okay.
Right in front of us. Please don't get too much closer.
Okay. Oh my God, this is so great.
It's about to.
Look at how fast this cleared out of people.
Please wait.
I am. I can see the left side right here.
I can see it too.
We're good. I'm just letting the wind blow me. Oh my God, this is so incredible.
Oh my God, Ben.
Oh, this is awesome!
This. Oh my God, it's crossing.
I know, right in front of us! There's too much water coming in. Look at it, bro! Oh my God, that's beautiful! Oh my God, that's beautiful! Oh, yeah! Bree! You see the debris over there? Oh my God, this is huge! This is huge! Go!
Oh God. No.
Oh my God!
Oh, please don't go too much closer. Okay? I don't know how wide this thing's gonna get.
As long as we don't get under the collar cloud. Oh my God!
Close.
Oh my God! Look at the car!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Person. They're in tornadoes. All those people.
Oh my God, look at them come around. This is gonna be an El Reno situation. I'm telling you, this town is going bye-bye. Oh my God.
There it is. There it is. Careful. Go a little. Those people up front, yeah. Oh, what? Multi. Oh my God.
Hold on.
This is a particularly.
Oh my God, look at it, look at it!
The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a tornado warning for North Central Kansas,
Oh, here.
Central Decatur County in northwestern
It's ripping out this town.
until 7 p.m.
Oh my God.
Time.
Hold on.
At 6:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado is located over Selden, Oregon, 15 miles north.
Oh my God, look at that blow across the road!
Expected hazard.
Look at it right here!
included a damaging
I see.
tornado and long ball-sized hail.
Uh-oh, the mezzo's coming back
Tornado
around.
has been confirmed by law enforcement. The
Excuse
following
me.
impacts are expected. Flying debris will be
Keep watching. Are you calling?
without shelter.
All right, call him.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
That shit's ruined. Oh my God.
That was nice of Scott to stop. Coming out of here. I just ran over something.
Well, your cars are so.
It is.
We're fine.
It is. Where is the tornado? It's still up here, right? There it is. This is Scott right here on the right.
That's him.
Hey, was it you I hit? Okay. We can deal with this later. We'll deal with it later, okay? I got insurance, you got insurance, right? Okay, all right, we'll deal with it later.
major tornado on the ground, lots of damage in Selden.
Multiple vortices.
Multiple vortex.
It's been all around the mezzo. It's
In fact, we're under.
We're literally like, it's sitting right in front of us right now. We're heading on the road out of Selden. Lots of damage, so there's gonna need to be a damage survey.
Trains
Trains are overturned. And silos are down. Yeah, the trains are overturned and the silos are gone.
All right, I'm stopping.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Stop.
At least someone answered.
Oh my God, there was a lightning strike right through the middle of the tornado.
What?
There was a lightning strike just through the middle of the tornado on that.
I'm glad you're getting all of this.
I'm glad I hit Scott Peak too, because now I can just deal with it.
Is that who it was?
Yeah, it was Scott Peak.
Oh, okay.
That's why he was like, you okay, you okay? Okay, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, deal with it later.
Yeah, that's why I just told him, we'll deal with it later.
Excuse my language.
I don't care. Oh my God.
God.